Hello, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Today's recipe is a paratha made out of green peas called Talwa Paratha. Now green peas is in season, so it's a good time to use it. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Please do check it out. Before we move into the video, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. So let's have a look at the ingredients required. I've got atta or wheat flour in here, fresh green peas, some salt to taste, red chilli powder and cumin seeds for the stuffing, some red chilli flakes and a little bit of salt for the paratha dough. We'll also need some ghee to make the paratha in, and also water required to make the paratha dough. So let's start making the paratha. So let's start with making the dough. To the wheat flour, I'm going to add the salt to taste and red chilli flakes. Mix everything together. And now let's add water as required and make a paratha dough. Paratha dough is ready. Let's pour a little bit of oil on top and just knead it nicely. So the paratha dough is ready. Let's keep this covered and allow it to rest for some time. Within that time, we'll prepare the stuffing. So in a pan, I've added some ghee. And once that's nice and hot, we'll add in the cumin seeds. We'll allow the cumin to flutter. So the cumin has fluttered and it's started browning a little. Now we'll add the washed and clean green peas. Along with it, we'll add red chilli powder as well as salt to taste. We'll cook the green peas until they are tender. So cook the green peas until it's tender. Now we'll remove it from fire. Cool it down nicely and then crush it lightly. So let me cool down this mixture before I start crushing it or mashing it lightly. So I've got the green peas which are mashed coarsely. Don't make it a paste, just coarsely mash it like this. So that's ready. I've got the paratha dough ready and the mash ready. So let's start making the paratha. To make the paratha, take a ball of dough and make a basket out of it. Like this. Now, put a spoonful of stuffing in the middle. And then close from the ends. Now roll it back into a ball. Flatten into a peda. I'm dusting it in some flour. And then we'll start rolling the paratha. Make sure you roll it gently. You don't want the stuffing to come out. So one paratha is ready, we can make the rest in the same way. I've got a tawa on fire, medium heat. I'm going to transfer the paratha onto the tawa. Pour some ghee. And we cook the paratha until golden brown from both sides. Once the paratha is cooked from both sides and it's golden brown, you can remove it into a plate. We'll cook the rest of the parathas in the same way. So the paratha is ready. You can serve this hot along with some raita and pickle. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, share and comment. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.